Yeah, it's a good training session today. We got off the plane yesterday, so it was good to get moving today, get the ball in hand and start our preparations for next week. But beautiful Winners' Day in Barcelona, so yeah, it's good to get started. Yeah, it's beautiful. Well, a couple of things walking in is you can love the club. You can understand that they're a close group of people. They love the club and they love rugby union. And then to have the facilities like they do have, a lot of professional teams around the world want facilities like this. So it's really welcoming. Good culture of a club, and then also really good facilities, so it's nice to be here. Yeah, so obviously big World Club Challenge final for us next week. So yeah, we wanted to come to Barcelona to get ready. Beautiful city, offer the opportunity for the players to experience something different. Not only do you want to win titles, but you want to grow the player as well and offer them different experiences, and that's why we're here. But we'll start to really ramp it up on Monday and Tuesday. In Barcelona, we'll start to move a bit faster and then do an opposed session against the Catalan Dragons to come down and get our preparation finalised before we head to England.